For example, take this hydraulic pump. In most cases, you can't tell the difference between Hitachi construction machinery remanufactured parts and imitations just by looking at them. You won't notice a difference in terms of performance at first either, because it is comparable for a while after you start operating them. However, when used over longer periods, imitations have a shorter lifespan because it wear out faster, causing flow rate to reduce sooner and speed to slow down earlier. Of these two excavators, one uses an imitation hydraulic pump. Since the flow rate of imitation pumps is reduced sooner, there is a risk of slowing down basic excavator operations, making it progressively less efficient. Similarly, the other is a wheel loader with an imitation hydraulic cylinder. Imitation cylinders run the risk of developing oil leaks sooner than Hitachi construction machinery remanufactured parts due to lower seal durability. Oil leaks are not only lead to higher maintenance costs but also destructive to the environment. Remanufactured parts are made under appropriate quality controls set by Hitachi construction machinery's remanufacturing factory, so you can use them with peace of mind. In addition, we offer it with the same warranty as new. Their quality reflects the know-how of the genuine manufacturer. We highly recommend using Hitachi construction machinery remanufactured parts. For more information, contact your nearest dealer.